Hey y'all, I'm recording now.
Yeah, Shea forgot to record for this whole time, which is...
So, if you've only been seeing Nate up till now, now you know why.
Or we'll put this before everything else.
Ah,
Welcome
yeah.
to the video. Shea forgot to record for half of it, so we're already halfway through.
Yeah. Okay. So, there you go. And also, I'm evil.
Oh yeah, we're on an XL map now.
Ooh, it's even bigger.
Should be
than...
fun. You don't even know what I'm doing.
Well, you don't even know what I'm doing.
Too bad that I do, because I have special secrets.
What? I'm scared.
I can't find my way back to my base.
Wait. What have you done?
I'm lost. Help. Actually, I'm stuck. Oh, Hopper just said, I wonder what my enemies are up to. I wonder. Shea.
What? I'm not up to anything.
Shea.
What?
Shea. What are you up to?
What?
What are you up to?
I'm not doing it. I literally have done nothing.
What are you up to?
Nothing. I don't even know what you're talking about. What is this up to? You refer to. I do not speak English.
Up to is a kind of yogurt.
Oh, well,
Uh-oh.
I don't even know if yogurt has been invented yet. So, actually, it definitely has. I don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, Shea. Do you even know what you're talking about?
No, I just told you I don't. You have to listen more better.
Do you?
Maybe.
Do you know? Huh?
Huh?
Farms,
Mango?
farms, farms. Build more farms.
Farms for everybody, except for the poor, apparently, because I'm evil.
Yeah, you're terrible.
See, I'm really getting into
This
character
time.
here. The character of evil capitalist.
Yeah. You're playing
Which
it pretty
is
well.
all capitalists. I mean, what?
Excuse him? How much does this cost? Cheapness, cheapness.
Farms, they're good for your life because you need food to eat. Hooray? I don't know.
Good luck getting through my barbed wire. That my base is totally 100% covered in. Oh, hey, I can go through barbed wire without getting hurt. Because it's my barbed wire. I'm loving this barbed wire stuff.
I don't like that you have that. Can you please not?
Oh my god, I have like an impenetrable wall of 3 layers of barbed wire you don't even know. Because it only costs 20. Good luck. Time to start.
I will... No. Please no. Don't start. Whatever you're starting. I'm not ready.
It's not against you, don't worry.
Oh, cool.
Oh, my toads disappeared.
Alright, so I need more crisp bells here. And that means we need to go adventure. Before we go adventure, I'm gonna build more birds.
You know what that sound is?
What sound? The clicking sound? It's the sound of the clicking.
That's incredible. How did you know?
I just guessed. Ah! What the heck?
Ah, hey, you attacked my barbed wire. Good luck. You like my barbed wire?
No, I do not.
Hi. Come get it.
I don't like
get
this. Do you have to walk through it to... Like, can I shoot it?
No, you have to walk through. And that hurts bad.
But I have healers, so I can just do it a little bit at a time. And then back and
No,
heal.
but it snakes!
I don't like you.
Snakes! I knew you had healers, so I brought the opposite of healing. Poison. Poison snakes of
Get
death.
him. Get him.
You're not winning this fight.
Clearly. Later.
I lost 1 unit and 1 piece of barbed wire.
This is not good for me.
More barbed wire. More barbed wire.
More expendables.
Even...
This is a
Oh
problem.
my god, so much barbed wire.
Am I even gonna be able to get through to hit you? What's shooting me? Oh, hey, there's no barbed wire here. That's cool.
Don't worry, next time you try to attack me, there will be. I was about to build it, as you came here. Kill the healers first, snakes.
Don't count me out just yet. I still have, these guys.
Oh, I probably shouldn't have started building matriarchs! Don't worry, the matriarch is dead already.
What the heck? I spent so many resources getting that here. It didn't even attack.
Do you know what matriarchs are?
Yeah, they're
They
spawners.
don't attack.
Well, it didn't even
Yeah.
spawn anybody. It's...
I'm generating snakes faster than you're killing them.
I don't think this is my game to win.
Oh, here's another snake. 4 more snakes.
This is not good.
Right, while you're doing that, I'm just gonna put up some barbed wire. Oh, you shot the barbed wire.
Well, we have no choice. We need the farm, so we gotta try to get through. Wait, birds! Birds can fly! Oh my god! I can't believe I never thought of this.
Why do birds foil all of my plants? It's like, oh, cool, a thing. Nope, birds are invincible.
Sweet. I mean, they're not invincible, but they can fly.
Yeah, you won.
I won? But you've been
You
doing
won.
so well.
You won. Birds are stupid, overpowered. You won.
Mwah! Ah, ah, ah! Do you really not have any more units? Also, I wouldn't count you out just yet. All my farms are expiring as we speak.
I'm starving as we speak.
Oh, yay! I win.
How am I starving with over 400 food?
Because your production costs are more than your income, I think. Maybe.
Civilized will feast. I'm tired of hearing that sentence.
You had me for a little bit there. And then I figured out birds could fly.
Alright, you know what?
What?
New strategy.
What's the new strategy?
Just you wait.
Just you wait!
Alexander has a bin.
Alexander Lukashenko.
Shea,
Yeah.
ready.
Oh, yeah, right. You are determined to win now, aren't you? Alright, so here's what I'm thinking. Nate is going to build a strategy to counter birds. So we're not going to use birds. Actually, we're going to turn his own snakes against him.
That's not what I meant to do.
Nate's
Oh, Shea,
never
let's
gonna
go
see
with
it coming.
random armies.
No, I already built my army, Nate.
Okay, fine. Okay, then
It's
I need
gonna
to
expect
build my
birds.
Hold on.
It's gonna expect birds. It's gonna be great because he's not gonna see it coming.
Alright. Here we go. I think I've got a good army.
I think I've got a good army.
Well, I think you're wrong.
Oh. Well, I think you're wrong, then I'm wrong.
This time, it's me. One day, the common folk will run this place. Why do I have a Scottish accent?
I don't know. Don't you know that all the Russian revolutionaries were Scottish?
Maybe some of them were, actually.
Probably not most of them.
Not
I don't think that's
most of them. Maybe a couple of them. That's what I'm saying.
I think most of them are Russian. Just a hunch. See, I don't know if Nate's not being quiet or if he's just explaining his plan. And I hope it's just the former, because he has some kind of elaborate plan. All of them have been really scary until I figured out that birds are the answer to every problem. So, I don't have birds this time. Might be bad. Nate, you're being real quiet over there. What's going on?
It's nothing.
Right, okay, I'm scared.
You shouldn't be. I've already established that, like, birds.
Which is, of course, why I'm scared.
On.
Alright, let's see if
Yes.
I can't find. Oh, well, that's yours.
Get out of there. You're not allowed to. Where'd you go?
Nowhere. And everywhere.
It's the sound of pigs. It's the sound of pigs.
I know it's the sound of pigs. I've heard the pigs. The pigs are the pigs.
Profound.
Did you know? I am profound. The pigs are the pigs. And always will be.
I think they're for pigs.
Pigs are for pigs. Pigs.
Wait.
Waiting for what?
Oh my god, I built the wrong units.
Lol. I laugh at your failure. Actually, that's not nice. I don't do that.
Are they actually talking in Russian?
I don't know. I don't speak Russian, amazingly enough.
Shea,
What?
could you not?
What? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm not doing anything. I just
yeah, you
ignore
can
it.
have that. Bye.
Thanks.
I'm coming to get you now.
Oh, please don't. I like being alive. Oh, you have a freight union too. Well, my freight union
great.
is.
Well, I also have snakes.
I don't like your snakes.
Snakes are so fantastic. I love snakes. Oh, sorry, I stopped supplying units to help fight. There you go. There's some coming. Don't worry about it.
I wasn't worried actually.
Ah! I almost got it built.
Lol, you die.
Yeah, that's game over.
I was hoping you would build some kind of strategy to counter birds, and thus I took no birds.
There is no strategy to counter birds. Birds are impossible to counter.
Are you really out of this already?
Yes.
Cool. Oh, hey, another gristmill. Once again, evil reigns. Hello.
I'm clearly awful at this game.
Sorry.
I don't even have any units or farms.
We could go back to
Bye.
to fighting together if you want.
Never.
Alright. Be that way. I will crush you every time. Waha. Haha. Haha.
Alright. It's time.
What is it time for?
It is time for time.
Okay.
Archimedes.
This strategy is not going to work, but I'm going to try it anyway. I'm literally only taking cheap units and turrets. And we'll just make a giant army and have fun.
Alright. This time, you're going down.
Didn't you say that the last time?
Last time I was wrong, though.
Okay.
Come on! Faster. Why are snakes so slow?
You already have snakes?
No.
You already have snakes.
No, I don't.
And why are you complaining about them being slow?
Because they're annoying. I still don't have any, though.
Okay, so I'm gonna keep my self spread out so that if Nate takes one of my 2 grist mills, the other one is still there making me food. And squirrels. Okay, we cannot afford to make squirrels. No.
Oh, yes!
What's
I
yes?
might have snakes.
I don't like that you might have snakes.
Faster. Faster. Come on. Don't have all day. Jay's gonna kill me soon.
No, you have all day. Just wait. Just be patient. Wait. Give me a minute. No need to rush. Not at all.
I'll build up my army while you build up your army.
Good. Yes, I like this arrangement. Just stay away from me.
You're no good sneaks. I'm not even gonna try to say that. You're niet wel sneaks. Sis. Tabil. There we go. Alright, everybody, let's go.
Uh-oh. I think Nate might be attacking me now.
No.
I think Nate's lying to me.
I need a mute hotkey.
So do I.
You should set that up before the next game. I think you can do that.
Alright, army away! Oh, Nate's coming from the other direction. Army, come back!
How do you... What is this?
Oh, okay, bye.
How do you... How do you navigate this
hello.
place? Take out the capacity. Take out the capacity for building things. Take out everything. Destroy them. Yes,
That was
poison.
rude. I don't know if you figured out my strategy yet, but it's pretty obvious. Also, you lost.
No, I retreated.
Oh.
It's called a tactical retreat. Maybe try it one time.
No.
Sometime, I mean.
So how's it going over there, huh? Having any problems?
How do you do this every time?
Efficient.
No, volunteers, overpowered, stupid. You have a gristmill close enough to build stuff here? Where? How?
Nate, they're moles.
this?
Nate, they're moles.
What are moles?
The ones you can build anywhere.
Oh.
So yeah, my strategy was just lots of little guys.
That's always your strategy.
I mean, I didn't even build any medium-sized things, Nate.
You usually only have like 2 of them, though.
Okay, well, it was extra my strategy this time.
Okay.
Quantity over quality. Although I'm starting to run out of quantity, so this might be a problem.
Says the capitalist.
I mean, yeah. You got me.
Shoot me! Oh god.
What did you expect?
I don't know.
Hey, I was building that. Stupid snake. Nate, also, have you considered the fact that I have played a lot more real-time strategy games in my life than you have?
Yeah, I know.
Like, a lot more. It's kind of one of my...
I died again. I'm starving.
Maybe I'll just let you starve. I'm kidding, I'm not that mean. Oh, hi. Maybe I'll just build a bunch of frogs.
I'm just gonna cry in the corner over here. Okay, I won't lose this time.
Okay. Wait, where's my push to mute is not working anymore?
Okie doke. Here's my strategy this time. I'm gonna have like 1 cheap unit or something and then I'm just gonna have tons of snakes. And I'm gonna fix what I did wrong last time, which is army
Nate,
ramp
can you hear me
up.
right now?
Yes. And then
Why is my mute not working anymore?
Ha 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 ha. And then
Oh.
I'm going to have... I might have mines. Try that. I'll have moles.
Never mind, it totally is click and hold.
Yeah, no, it definitely is. Alright, so how's it going? You doing good?
I'm doing good. Are you doing good?
My strategy is probably not good, but let's see what happens.
Same.
Oh, there's a military coup happening within the rebellion.
Dun 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 dun. I don't know what I'm singing. Oh, that too.
What?
I don't know.
Alright. Show me
I'm
your
editing
secrets.
that out.
How dare you? I wonder what my enemies are up to.
I wonder what my enemies are up to too, actually.
My enemies are up to Haya. Oh yeah, plus 10 HP.
Hey, same.
Wow, that's crazy.
Building a farm, building a farm. Nothing
Me
wrong with
too.
building a farm.
Building a farm, building a farm, building a farm. Farms. Building.
Yep. It's very snow around.
It is
Have you
much
noticed?
snow. Hey, now you're an all-star. Hey, how's it going? You good?
Yep. I'm just gonna take this. Lol. Never mind.
Come
I
here,
guess
get
that's
him.
yours then.
Get him! Get him! Okay.
You want to repeat that? Right, so I still don't understand. But that's... Oh, okay, got it.
Yeah, you see?
Yeah, it makes sense. Where are all the grist mills that aren't the one that you just tried to take? And by tried, I mean
I
succeeded.
think I set the grist mills to scarce for this game.
Oh, good.
I don't know though.
So that means I gotta find a new grist mill fast. Or starve. Oh, hey, I found a new grist mill. Lol. Hey! You wanna not? Why would you do that, Nate? That was rude.
What? What did I do?
You attacked me with a snake.
A single snake?
Yes!
Did you like my snake?
No.
It was a very beautiful snake.
I would like it if you didn't do that, actually.
It was a fabulous
Oh, there's a
snake.
grist mill on top of that hill, okay. I mean, there's no grist mill. Anywhere. They don't exist.
My character, after you said that, was like, eh. Yeah, kind of. And boop. Alright, let's go. How many
I
are
don't
there
have
now? Whoa.
What do you mean?
I was talking about my own units.
Oh.
You know what? Just a small subset of you. Go do that.
What are you doing? My whole
Poison
army is over
the
here.
farming. Poison the farms. How do you have so many?
Hey, that was mine.
How do you have so many units?
Magic.
How is that even possible? You have like 5 of... What?
Actually, at the moment, I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units on the field.
Okay, yeah, but still.
They're all medium cost, though, except for the pigeon.
Ah, I am receiving a cellular device.
What kind of cellular device have you received? This sounds like a good development in your life.
I already have a cellular device. So
Why do you need to receive? Hey, you killed my skunk spawner.
I'm receiving a cellular call.
You killed my skunk spawner. No, I don't have no skunks.
Hello?
Are you answering this call on recording?
No?
Yes, you are.
Oh, just give me a regular thing. Shea, what do you want at Barcello's?
The burger with the cheese and the boring.
Oh,
And
Mom
a s-
already got food. So
Oh.
why are you calling me?
I want a Sprite. Wait, we already got food.
I'm not. Okay, bye. Ha 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 ha, we got fooding.
Cool, I guess. See if you can beat me. Can't.
Snakes.
Hey, stop killing my skunk spawners. I like those. Nate. 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 Make the snakes leave, please. Nate.
Snakes.
Nate.
Snakes. Kill this. And this.
Nate, your snakes killed all my
Kill them all.
snakes.
Kill them all.
Nate, I think you win this time.
Get them all. I
don't
figured
think
out
I
my
can.
strategy. Kill them all. Everything. Doesn't matter, just take it out. Go, snakes.
I have a problem. It's
What is
called
it?
you killed everything.
Is that your only gristmill?
No, but I don't have. That's all my units.
The internet will close.
We cannot absorb this loss, bud. We're dead.
Ha 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 ha.
We are
our
incredibly.
strategy
Oh my
would work.
god, that's too many snakes.
What do you mean? This is only half of them. Oh my god, the poison counters. There were 50 poison counters on it. Yes, we will succeed.
Well, it was good while it lasted.
Alright, everybody just chill around here and make sure he doesn't get anything new. I'm gonna go buy more snakes.
You don't need any more snakes, Nate. I have
I can
4
afford
units on the
more
field.
snakes. Get off this hill. Snakes. Snakes! Snake! Is this yours now? Did you take this gristmill up here? Oh, you didn't. Where's the gristmill you have?
Nowhere. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't have a gristmill. I'm dead. I've already lost. You've already won. I don't know why you're even still playing this game. You should just leave.
There are so many empty gristmills! Not even dead ones, just empty ones. Oh my god, I have 30 snakes. Where did... Ah, there's one.
Could you know, maybe, please? Okay. Oh, yeah.
Snakes! I lost an arm, you lost a farm.
Okay. I actually lost more than one farm.
You have more.
No?
Where? Okay,
I don't know what you're
kill
talking
one.
about. I don't have anything. Anywhere. I've already lost.
Stop, you're a liar. Bye.
Oh, I found another gristmill. I can't afford it.
Now you know how I feel every time you win and I'm starving.
No.
That's a good game. Alright. What's our outro? I'm just... Hold on. I've got an idea. I'm just gonna put outro up on the screen.
Okay.
Should do
well,
it too.
Thank you for tuning in to our... This.
Test?
Yeah.
It wasn't really a test. This was an episode.
Episode 5.
Point 2.
I'm actually gonna like split this into like 5-minute videos. No,
Are you
I'm not
kidding me?
gonna do that.
Okay,
I'm
good.
not gonna do it.
There we go. Now it just says outro in big white letters on my screen.
Cool.
Doo-doo-doo.
Save replay. No. Leave. Okay. Thanks for watching.
Bye!